is where I'm walking. Let's follow them. I already know where they're going. This is where I'm headed. I'm headed for the bridge. Right now, I'm in the process of writing 3 things. I'm finally getting somewhere in the fleshing out of what's going to end up being my graphic novel, The Lesson. Hopefully I'm going to have that done soon, go into production by spring 2014. So, and then on top of that, I was just doing this joint about it's November 10th, so I was doing this joint about the 15th anniversary of Pete Rock's debut solo producer LP, And It's Raining. Soul Survivor. It's raining. You can probably see. It's a bye week. This is what's around me, where I go to relax when I have to think, or for writing breaks. I'm not going to be able to do this for too much longer because November is going to turn into winter, and in the winter I am not coming out here. So thank God it's still fall. That was me wiping off the lens. Okay. Well, look at that. Look at the leaves falling, because it's fall. That's beautiful, right? Looks like something out of Samurai Showdown / Samurai Champloo. Yeah. Alright. I'm headed back for the bridge. I'm walking back over. I'm taking my ass to Shaw's. I'm shopping for some food. And I'm taking my ass home, and I'm not watching the Patriots because it's a bye week. Alright. One love to everybody out there who's actually watching this. And yeah, the city is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I'm blessed to have been born here, especially in my neighborhood. That's the Mass Ave bridge up there. You probably see me take pictures from it. Alright then. Oh no.